JOSA counseling caters to 4 different kinds of institutions. One is IITs, second is NITs, third is IIITs, and fourth is GFTIs. GFTIs meaning government-funded technical institutions. There are, for example, Punjab Engineering College or National Institute of Food Technology, etc., etc. In the earlier videos, we have seen the closing ranks for CSC in IITs and NITs. Today, we will look at the closing ranks for CSC branch in IIITs. But before I get off with that, I need to clear some confusion regarding IIITs, because IIITs, there are various kinds of IIITs. First is, there are the purely private IIITs. For example, IIIT Hyderabad is actually International Institute of Information Technology. So is Bangalore. These are 2 private IIITs outside the ambit of JOSA counseling. They use JEE main scores for admission, but their counseling process is separate. Similarly, IIIT Delhi is Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology. Again, it is outside the scope of JOSA counseling. Then, the remaining IIITs, there are 25 of them. Out of this, 5 are run by Government of India, Ministry of Education, and the other 20 are run in the public-private partnership mode. That means government as well as private. So, a combination of both. That is how they are run. So, let's look at the closing ranks. Last year, 2020, I am looking at round 6, 6th round. We are also looking at open category. Open category, 6th round, 2020, CSC branch, IIITs. All right. So the top 10 IIITs start with Allahabad. Allahabad, incidentally, doesn't have computer science and engineering. They have IT, information technology. Allahabad is a well-known IIIT, also in great demand. You can see from the closing ranks, 4960 gender neutral and 10629 is female. As you know, there are 2 categories. One is gender neutral and one is exclusively female, 10,629. Allahabad, incidentally, also has a branch called Business Informatics, Information Technology, Business Informatics, started a couple of years back. And the closing rank for that is 5537 for gender neutral and 11,400 for females. So that is about Allahabad. Then you have Gwalior. Gwalior, in fact, is the oldest IIIT set up by the government. In fact, it was set up in 1997. Allahabad was set up in 1999. Gwalior, the closing rank is 8722 and 12,477. This is the 4-year CSE course at Gwalior. Gwalior also offers a 5-year integrated BTech MTech program, for which the closing rank last year was 13,461 for gender neutral and 22,247 for females only. Gwalior also offers a 5-year integrated BTech MBA, closing rank for which was 18,264 for gender neutral and 27,777 for females. Both are decent programs and something you should consider if you are in that range. Then you have Lucknow. Lucknow, incidentally, is not a pure government institution. It's a PPP, public-private partnership model, IIIT, 10,613 and 17,844. Actually, Lucknow was formed in collaboration with Allahabad, and therefore the demand for Lucknow. Jabalpur, though it is older, is slightly below Lucknow. Jabalpur is run by the Government of India, central government, Ministry of Education. 15,413 last year, 22,584, only females. Kanchipuram also is again another government, pure government-owned IIIT. 17,414 was the closing rank last year. Now you can see that some of these triple ITs did not have last year females only quota. Government has given some time for these people to comply. So last year, in some of these things, you will find blanks because they have not offered any female only quota for the students. Okay, then you have Sonipat, then you have Pune, then you have Guwahati, then you have Vadodara, and then you have Srirangam in Trichy. In fact, it is housed in the NIT campus itself, NIT Trichy campus itself. So that is 21,358, 16,151. So that brings us the top 10 triple ITs. Then you have triple IT Kota, closing rank at 22,320, Surat 22,325, Raichur, Sri City Chittoor, closing rank at 28,394, then Bhopal, then Nagpur, then Vadodara has another campus at DU, 30,298. So it is, you can consider it to be a part of Vadodara unit, except that it is located at a separate place. Una, 30,776. Kurnool. Now, Kurnool is again started sometime in 2015, is run by the Government of India, Department of Education. 32,039 last year, closing rank. Ranchi, 32,673. Then triple IT Dharwad, the last five actually. Kottayam, 35,429. Kalyani, 36,362. Bhagalpur, Agartala, Manipur. So totally, there are, as I said, 25 triple ITs which form part of JOSA counseling, but you find 26 here because the DU unit of Vadodara is considered as a separate unit, but otherwise there are totally 25. Out of this, 5 are government, pure government owned, and other 20 are in the PPP mode. And yeah, this is what you should be interested in. 41,632. So to get a CSE branch in any of the triple ITs, the biggest rank that is possible is 41,632. 41,632, you will still end up with a CSE rank in a CSE branch, CSE seat in one of the triple ITs. So there is a lot of confusion about triple ITs. I hope I have clarified that confusion. So triple IT Hyderabad, triple IT Bangalore, triple IT Delhi, outside of the scope of JOSA counseling. And in JOSA counseling, 25 triple ITs are used, out of which 5 are government owned and 20 are public-private partnership mode. Triple ITs, most of the triple ITs are newer ones, formed in the last 5-6 years. So one needs to look at the track record before joining. So that is something that you need to examine. In my next video, I will look at certain GFTIs. My previous videos I've already seen IITs and NITs, CSE closing ranks. GFTIs is the only one that is pending. We will look at it in the next video. All the best.